If you follow this channel, you would know that I got and reviewed the XTOOL D7 6 months ago. I've been using the tool ever since, and in that time I've had some ups and downs, and today I'll be doing a quick review update on my experience so far, and whether this is still the best scan tool for the money in the sub $500 segment. Now let's get this. In these 6 months, I've had the opportunity to perform loads of scans, use special functions like key programming, and also run a number of bidirectional tests. I haven't quite met what the D7 claims to do that it hasn't done, so in terms of functionality and capability, it's lived up to the claims that is made. Battery life has been excellent. In fact, considering the fact that the D7 charges itself off the data link port or the OBD port, you never encounter that scenario where you can't scan a car because of a dead scan tool battery. One other thing I was particularly on the lookout for was how XTOOL would perform in terms of regular software updates, since their quoted annual subscription cost of $99 per year is quite low considering similar scan tools. I must say that updates have been very regular, both in terms of bug fixes and other functions. As you can see, we have quite a bit of pending updates, and a significant number of these were launched quite recently. As you can see here, for the GM as well as for the BMW, these updates are adding new functions to the device, making it an even more capable scan tool. That said, this scanner hasn't been without its issues. I've had two bugs which I had to deal with in that time. The first one was a scenario where a number of special functions got deleted, while the second had to do with you not being able to see the details of pending updates. But these two issues were quickly resolved, and this perhaps brings me to another plus of using an XTOOL device, which is the customer support. Customer service is superb. You typically get a response within 24 hours, and a solution is quickly rolled out if it needs one. I can say that of all the scan tools that I've owned and used, XTOOL customer support is the most responsive. It's been 6 months and I still think this tool, especially with 3 years of free updates and $99 per year thereafter, holds the most value in terms of getting a pro scan tool for less than $500. Just in case you're looking for the full review of the scanner, I'll have the link up on the screen. In other news, I'm considering doing a cross comparison video that will compare the different scan tools that I have. Let me know if that would be of interest to you. Hope this has been helpful. Catch you on the next one. Peace.